All right, 8.62 homework number 1. We are trying to solve this thing, and the trick is we want to wipe out all these denominators. And the way to do that is to get a common denominator and then multiply by that denominator, and then they'll disappear because these are all divides. So we can just get rid of the divides by multiplying. All right, so the first thing is it's how do I get the common denominator? Like looking at these, it's hard to see what denominator is common. But the key is to do that, factor anything. So this one factors to x plus 5 and x minus 5. That's square minus square, where they multiply x and x gives you x squared, and positive 5, negative 5 gives you negative 25 with 0x in the middle. Right? Then hopefully we'll realize that in order to make them the same, this one just needs an x plus 5. Then it would have the same thing as this denominator. So we multiply the top and bottom by x plus 5. And then this fraction just needs the x minus 5, and then they'll match. Okay, so figuring out what we're left with, they're all going to have that denominator of x plus 5 times x minus 5. And now to figure out the numerator part, this is just a 4. It was a 4, and we're multiplying by x plus 5, so that'll become 4x plus 20. Distributive property, this one's still x. This one we're going to distribute again, so it'd be 9x minus 45. Okay, and now here's kind of the weird step, but since these fractions are division, this fraction bar means divide, we're going to wipe it out by multiplying both sides by the denominator, which is x plus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, and we really don't have to do much for multiplying because this divide will cancel with that multiply. So since they match, they just wipe out, and we just solve whatever the numerators are. So it's 4x plus 20 plus x equals 9x minus 45. Right? We've essentially cleared away the denominators, and it's no longer a scary fraction question. So he's got to clean up this left-hand side would become 5x plus 20. Okay, and then keep going. So minus 5x from both sides. Sorry, I'm running out of space here a little bit. But take away 5x's, add 45. So we get 65 equals 4x. Okay, and then divide by 4. And that's going to be something like 16.25. Should be our answer. 65 divided by 4. All right, that's it. Hopefully that helps.